this equation. We see it everywhere, but what does it actually mean? I must note that E equals mc squared is only used for objects at rest. The more general version of the equation would be this one, where E stands for energy, m for mass, c for the speed of light, and p for momentum. It essentially tells us that energy and mass are both but different manifestations of the same thing. Wait a second, what does the speed of light have to do with this equation? Well, that is because the resulting energy from converting mass of something into pure energy is by definition moving at the speed of light, because pure energy is electromagnetic radiation. Why does it have to be squared then? This has to do with the nature of energy and the fact that we measure it with joules. C squared is just a conversion factor, but it's a really huge number. So much so that tiny amount of mass can give us really enormous amounts of energy. And enormous amounts of energy just wind up giving us a particle. It would be natural to think that the mass of this tennis ball would be the same whether it was moving or at rest. But if you had a super sensitive scale, you would notice that the moving ball is actually heavier. Well, that is due to its kinetic energy. Physicists at CERN use E equals mc squared to create heavier particles like the Higgs boson or the top quark from lighter particles. This is how nuclear power plants and atomic bombs work, but it's also how the stars work. The sun, for example, loses about 4 million tons of mass every second due to the energy it radiates.